Most people think all USB cables are the same, but there are actually several different types that serve specific purposes. USB Type A is the classic rectangular port you see on most computers and laptops. USB Type B has a larger square shape and connects printers and scanners to your device. Mini USB and micro USB are smaller versions commonly found on older phones and cameras. The newest USB Type-C is reversible, so you never plug it in wrong and offers the fastest charging speeds. Each type transfers data at different speeds from 480 Mbps for USB 2.0 up to an incredible 40 Gbps for USB 4.0. Knowing which cable you need can save you time and ensure your devices charge and sync properly.